have reached the day of la Festividad de la Vigilia, the parade, the day before the main day of the Festa Major in the Bonawala Road Trip. Here we have the Marcosa de la Nova performing Van Thijs. Here we see the carrot figure in all its beauty. How the two sides of the Van Thijs